Welcome to Entropic Travel. Today, we're taking the scenic drive down the lush, winding roads of Hawaii to discover the charming and historic town of Honokaʻa. As we approach, you'll start seeing the town's iconic wooden buildings. Honokaʻa is more than a picturesque town. It's the window to Hawaii's plantation era, filled with stories and preserved in architecture. Much like the Sauza building, which has been standing tall since 1903. Walking through these streets feels like stepping back in time, with so many little shops to explore. Each structure tells the story of the people who built this town, and the history is still left behind. Like the Andrade building and the K&M Kotake building from the 1930s. And now, let's cool off. We're heading into a cozy little store that's famous for sweet treats. They've got everything from coffee to fudge, ice cream, and the iconic Hawaii shaved ice. Trust me, this is the perfect spot to refuel while exploring Honokaa. First stop, the fudge counter. You'll find locally inspired flavors that make your mouth water. But right next to it, a freezer stocked with over 10 incredible ice cream flavors. It's a dessert lover's paradise. And just look at this, a fresh affogato in the making. Espresso poured right over the scoop of ice cream. If you haven't tried this combo, you're definitely missing out. And of course, we can't leave without talking about the Hawaiian shaved ice. And here's the coolest part. They use this vintage ice shaving machine decorated with Hawaiian flowers. How cool is that for island vibes? Here's a close-up of the magic. That block of ice is shaved down into the fluffiest snow you've ever seen. Watch as the machine hums along, turns ice into perfection. The woman behind the counter is an artist. Wearing beautiful jade and silver jewelry adds that touch of elegance to this sweet craft. And now for the grand finale, 3 delicious toppings poured generously over the freshly shaved ice.
Different color. And then maybe like a berry or blueberry or something like that.
You can almost taste the aloha spirit in every bite. Before we go, let's take one last look around the store. Checking out all the historical photos on the wall. They're like a tribute to the town's legacy. Well, hopefully I see you on the next adventure and you take a trip for yourself.